Students and parents, are you in class 10 and wondering what is going to be the next big steps in case you are planning for JEE, NEET or CUET kind of examination? Is this the right time to start coaching, or you can do it at class 12? Okay, let me tell you few facts about how you need to start and what way or what methodology GURUJEE promotes and how you can get benefited from GURUJEE. Okay, so few things I have listed out and brought it because I don't want to miss any point. I should give you the best. So that let me go through this. Like, why starting early with GURUJEE 2-year classroom program is your best decision. Okay, why to start now? See, many students think I will start entrance coaching in class 12. Am I right? Right? That is the common thinking, like class 11, just like that, let it go. And class 12, they will start, or that's the decision, class 12 will start focusing. But let's be practical. Class 12 is a race against time. Don't you think? Yes, it's a race against time. Your school exams, board preparations, and entrance syllabus, all right, will all pile up. Am I right? So why to wait? Now, starting in class 11 gives you 2 full years to build strong fundamentals, practice regularly, and reduce stress before the final exams. At GURUJEE, we ensure that your school syllabus and entrance exam preparation go hand in hand. Because what I meant through this, because we have some setups and we have some system, which means we all know that if a student is not able to do best in the school examination, automatically there will be a tension on the student, and that tension will slowly build up, and they will come out of the dream of becoming an IITian or a doctor or any other professions. Am I right? So it is important for a child to understand that school exams are also important, and they need to score good mark in the school examination. Only then the confidence gets boosted. So in GURUJEE, we have such program which I'll tell you. And what happens, like, why to choose GURUJEE? Because one coaching, all topics covered. I said one coaching, all topics covered, because we do physics, chemistry, maths and biology. See, there are coaching institutions, if you go for taking first group, that is physics, chemistry, maths, biology taking, and if you go to coaching institutions, the coaching institutions offer you only, if you are aiming for engineering, they will only give you physics, chemistry and maths. Or if you are aiming only for a NEET examination, they will only give you physics, chemistry, biology. But in GURUJEE, we help, or we understand, because this dream can change later, or maybe a student of engineering wanted to try NEET also. Because we know that recently physics and chemistry syllabus is almost combined. Am I right? So as far as NTA pattern concerned and CBSE syllabus concerned, in JEE and NEET, mostly the questions are with a similar weightage. So there is a chance that NEET students is writing JEE exam or JEE students writing NEET exam. Am I right? So I offer physics, chemistry, biology together. Okay, there are which means if a student is interested to sit biology class, they can sit. If a student is interested to sit maths class, they can sit, which means 4 subject is offered. Am I right? So which only GURUJEE does, I believe. And then school and entrance, no need of separate tuitions. What I mean by no need of separate tuitions, I'll read out, because CBSE in my class or through our study material, we have built it, or we have made a curriculum like that. For CBSE student, it will be 90% matching towards school examination. For ICSE student, it will be 50% matching, and for state board student, it will be 70% matching. See this, because when you run an entrance coaching center, or when you go to an entrance coaching center, if they teach you only the entrance pattern, what is coming in JEE, what is coming in NEET, slowly what will happen, that if you have a doubt over the school portions, who will clear it? And you can't go for one more tuition again. Am I right? That means it will be a burden, and time frame, all those problems will start in. So in GURUJEE, what is happening, I cover the syllabus in such a way that is, when we take a class, it is also supporting them in the school examinations. Okay, so that no students are left out, attending the 4 subjects, And what we do is that every week, okay, that means if they have weekdays batch or weekends batches are available. Of course, we do have offline and online batches. But if you look at it, every week we have one particular day we conduct exam based on the board model. If a student is from CBSE or ICSE state board, they get a paper based on the board model on subject wise, and weekend they have to go for writing an exam based on the JEE, NEET or CUET pattern, whichever the student is opting for it. If a student is opting for 2 examination, they can take up 2 examination also with us. Okay, so this is the way Gurujee's made the class schedule. And next is our study approach. Okay, stronger, smarter and better. Small batches. Okay, 13 to 14 students only will be there in Gurujee's one batch, which means what is happening, like I wanted me and including me and my faculties reaching to the students, checking their notes, what they have written, how they are writing, are they writing a proper notes, okay, whether they are able to interact with us and are they getting time to interact in the class, etc is managed, so that what is happening, like a proper interaction, individual attention is given to the students. Because you know that if you go to some coaching institution, there are 30-40 students sitting in the class, and students don't know who is the faculty and faculty don't know who are all the students and where are they coming from. What is the point in that? Okay, now they also have a difficulties to raise questions, because majority will have difficulty when the crowd is more, they will not point out, am I right? So student will have a struggle to interact with the faculty. This will also happen. So we keep 13 to 14 students in a batch and we reach to the students individually. Okay, next thing is experienced teachers. Like I myself is 20 years experience in physics, and I am taking care of the physics part and the academic part. And we have teachers who are doing, who are with maths and all 25 to 30 years of experience, likewise chemistry and biology, we have experienced teachers. And of course, I need to tell you that Guruji, this is the 13th year we are completing. From March 12 onwards, we are reaching to, or well, tomorrow, I think today I am taking March 11th the video, and tomorrow onwards, we are starting our 14th year. Alright, so we have success ratio to tell this. Then next is comprehensive study material. Our study materials, we have PYQs, we have exercise 1, 2, 3. So student who are capable of doing exercise 1 can do till 1, and who are capable of doing till 2 can do 2 and 3 likewise. So because why I said 1, 2, 3, because someone who is really interested to do little moderate to difficult question or difficult to difficult level questions, they can experiment till 3, and someone who is comfortable scoring good mark in the board level and just basic level of scoring entrance examination, they can look at the exercise doing exercise till first level. All right, so this is given in that way. Then special test paper and discussion support for students aiming at VITEE, Amrita, SRM or IISER kind of examination. I have separate papers. Those who are all aiming for those examination, we inform them in timely to apply, and we support some papers and materials. All right. Now expert guidance. What is next? See, before that, it is not just learning, but learning the right way. That is what is happening in Guruji. Now the next point is important point: expert guidance and support, like doubt solving and individual attention. See, if you are struggling, our mentors are here to help. Because what I am saying, that many institutions, as I told, like students are like suppose going to the school, and after a teacher is taking some particular topic in the school and student develops a doubt, who will clear this doubt? So if they come to Guruji, we will be able to help them to understand that particular area, and we clear their doubts. Or even if Guruji classes any doubts are there, it is also cleared and before they leave the class. Okay, now next is guest lectures from achievers. What I mean by guest lectures, as I told, Guruji is 13 years completed institution. We have students studying at AIMS and who have completed from AIMS, and who are studying at JIPMAR, who are studying at IITs, NITs, IIITs, IISER, and who are working in big leading educational institutions, and of course working in industries. So they used to come and talk to the students as guest lecturers. We used to call them and ask them to come, according to their time availability, they come and interact with our students. So few recent videos, we likewise interaction we have pasted in our YouTubes and all, you can check it. So these interactions also happening, which is a kind of inspiration and motivation to the students. Now complete exam guidance, like you parent or student need not to go anywhere for applying, like to a browsing center or any medias or any places. You don't have to go for how to apply for an examination, especially when JEE or NEET application starts, or CUET application start, IISER application start, Amrita application starts. We are here, our faculties will inform you, and you can come with the requisites, and our teachers will sit with you to apply and till the hall tickets are downloaded. Okay. And after that, they will also guide you like how you need to reach the examination center and where and all you have to go and take up requirements. Okay, so accordingly they will also be guiding you. Next thing is, parents, we understand your concerns. So few concerns which every parent will have. Those concerns let me read out here. Will my child get individual attention? Will my child get individual attention? I said already yes. And yes, we are going to give you individual attention because we are having only 13 to 14 students in a batch. Now, will the institute support for public exam? Yes. Yes, we will support for public examination because we are going to give you public exam papers separately, and we also see to that because as I told you, if a student is not able to score in public exam 75 to 80% or 80% and more than that, there is no point in writing JEE and NEET. Because JEE says that if a student is getting 75%, there is a separate criteria. Am I right? So only if a student is getting 75% in the board examination, some entrance examinations are valuable. Otherwise, it is not valuable even if you crack with big mark. Am I right? So it is important if the student is if the student is able to get good mark in public examination, automatically their confidence are builded. Now, will they guide us through entrance applications and counseling? Yes. We will do that. Is the coaching center approachable? Yes. We are there for 24/7 support. Anytime you can walk into us, you can talk to our teachers. We will be giving an academic number. Through that number, you can contact any teachers and discuss. Okay. Then are tests conducted and results shared on time? Yes, we have a progress report, and the results is immediately after the correction is being sent through WhatsApp, and on per month basis there is a progress report shared to the parents through the students. Is the environment safe and supportive? Yes, we do have cameras in all the classes, and we keep monitoring the students, what do they do. So, and there are teachers in the classes when they write the examination, and invigilations properly happens, and we do also care if a student is getting waited in the center till the parents comes. We see to that one faculty is available there till the parent comes and pick the student at any time. All right. So these are all them. Then next, the last point, anybody will be looking at this. And of course, this is one concern for a parent. Affordable and flexible fee structure. You pay only tuition fee and books at GURUJEE because we charge only minimal. And I would recommend, or I would say that you can go and search any coaching institution, and GURUJEE's fee structure will be the best and feasible. It doesn't mean that we compromise on quality, which means I only aim that I don't want to burden any of my parents. So I also offer flexible installments. Okay. Now, online and offline classes is available. You can choose whichever is convenient to you. So, final words, take the first step today. So, if you are a Class 10 student or a parent looking for the best coaching institute, look no further. GURUJEE is the right place where your school syllabus, board exams and entrance preparations come together under one roof. Success starts with decision. GURUJEE and GURUJEE give your future the best. And enroll today. Limited seats are available with us. And if you want more details on this, call us, our counselors, and go through our write-ups and brochures shared to you. And I've just made this video only to, not every parent when they come to me and, before coming to me, or when they come to me or before coming to me, they can listen to this video and understand, and if they can be prepared if any questions are left out to ask. Okay. So thank you so much. Join our Target 27 batch, all Class 10 students. It is open. Admissions are going on. We are planning to start the class from April second week, and it will go with starting with a bridge class where we will be building the Class 9 and 10 topics which is required for Class 11. We will be brushing up and going the subjects. Okay. So thank you so much. Till I come with next video, and keep an eye watch on our sessions, and you will be definitely getting a lot of information. Thank you so much.